Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will make a steel bracket in sheet metal SolidWorks. Let's start. File, new, part, and OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface. First, I am selecting the plain white. Plain white is very useful for the demarcation purpose. I am selecting, and the unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. We will create a steel bracket in sheet metal, and dimension you can pause the video and note down the dimensions. Later on in the next video we will make a 2D drawing of this thing. Okay, I am taking front plane, sketch. I am drawing a circle here. This circle I am taking 40 mm, only 40 mm. This. Okay. Now in tools, sketch tools, you will find one option, split entities. You note this thing. I am splitting at 2 points, this one and this one. Okay, and this one. And now trim entity, you can trim it. This one. Now I make a relation here. This one, select this point, and this one I am taking horizontal. Okay. This dimension is 20. Now I am taking, first I am taking the center line here. This one. I am taking this arc. 3-point arc. This one, this, and this. I am selecting dynamic mirror here. This dynamic, or you can get from here tool, sketch tools, or dynamic mirror. I am selecting dynamic mirror, this one. Okay, and taking this 3-point arc. This one, this, and this. Okay, now I am taking this, I am drawing a center line here, this line, straight line here, this. Okay, now I make a relation here, this point tangent, this point tangent. Okay, this is the tangent. Okay, now this radius I am taking 35. Okay, and now I am taking dimension from here to here. This I am taking 75. Okay, this way I am taking 75, or you can take it 65. This one. This is the 65. Okay, and this dimension and this dimension I am taking 35. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 40 mm. This is 65, and this is 65, and 35 is this one, or this one, and this I am taking 40 mm. This one, fully defined. Okay. This is 40 mm, 30 mm this one, 20 mm this one. 65 from here to sketch is fully defined here. Now sheet metal, this tab you have in your, I have this sheet metal tab. In order to bring this tab, you can right click on the tab, any tab you can click and tab and click set sheet metal, then it will come in the tab section. Okay, sheet metal base flange. I am taking this mid plane. Okay, and I'm taking this base flange. I am taking the thickness 1.60. Okay, but thickness is going outside. I am taking reverse side, this one inside. I am taking inside thickness. Okay, inside band radius is 1.6 mm. Okay, and height I am taking 50 mm. Base flange height, this is 50 mm, this one, or you can take it 45 mm. I am taking, oh, let's say 50 mm I am taking this one. This band it inside. This is a sheet metal part. Okay. Now isometric, this one. Now I am unfold it. This is, I am unfolding it. Unfold, fixed face, I am selecting this face. Okay, collect all bands, or manually you can select it, or collect all bands, this one, and click this one. This is this one. Now I am selecting this sketch. First I am taking this, I am taking center slot here, center point slot. Midpoint is, yellow point is the midpoint. This one, this one. This dimension I am taking 6 mm and shift, select this, shift and this, no. This I am taking 70 mm. Okay. This is I am taking, or you can take it 70 mm, or you can take it 50 mm. Okay. Now normal, center slot again, this one. This one, this I am taking 3.5. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 30 mm. Okay, this one, sheet metal, extrude cut, blind, link to thickness. In selected contour, you can select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, link to thickness. Link to thickness means it means cut will take place up to thickness. This one. This is this. Now unfold it. Unfold. Fixed face, this one, and collect all bands. Collect all bands. Sorry, fold. I'm selecting fold. This one, collect all bands. You can select manually also, you can select it. This one. This is this part. Now edge flange. edge flange. This you can drag it in this side and this side, or you can from here you can change the direction. So this one, suppose this is here, you can change the direction from here. Dimension I am taking 25 mm, this dimension. This one. Metal, suppose I take front, this one or this, right, this one. Metal is measured from outer virtual shaft, this one, from intersection of outer edges. And this metal is inside, this is metal outside, and this is band outside I am taking here. Okay, this is band outside here, you can see. And this one also, this one, and this one. This I am taking, height I am taking 25 mm, 90 degree angle, and this is, gap is 0.5, no question of the gap. And this one, in default radius you can also change it from here, but I am keeping 1.6 mm, this one. This is the, okay. Now select this face, sketch, center slot, midpoint, yellow point is the midpoint, this one. Radius 4 mm. And this radius, this dimension is, I am taking 25 mm. This is 25. Sketch fully defined. Now sheet metal, extrude cut, blind. Sorry, 3. In case I will take through wall. This will cut in this section. Okay. Now select this face, sketch. I am making hole now. First I am drawing a line, center line here. This one. Another point, yellow point. This is the midpoint. Okay, and draw a line. Sorry. This dimension I am taking 6 mm. 6 mm. This one, mirror this, and make sure copy should be checked. This one, select this line. Okay. Sheet metal, extrude cut. This one, through wall. This one, in this way, yeah. And now in corner there is a command, break corner. Break corner, you select the face, this one, or you can select the edges, you can select it. Select it, faces, select faces, select faces. And I'm chamfering, I am taking 5 mm chamfer. This way, this bracket I have made, this one. You can give the appearance from here, this one, and from here, appearance, and I am taking green color, this one, and this one. This way I have made this simple bracket. This is used generally for the pipe, portion. You can take the flatten view, you can take it, this one, for cutting purpose. For AutoCAD purpose, you can make it flatten view, and you can save it for the AutoCAD file in the DXF format. How can save it? I right click, export to DXF. Export to DXF file, give the name of steel bracket, this one. Give the name and save it. This window comes, sheet metal. Required parameter, you can select it, hidden edges, band lines, forming tool, no forming tool, bounding boss. Bounding boss with this bounding boss, this one and this one. This 2D file comes here. You can save it. Okay, this is the 2D file. This file is 2D file in the DXF format. This file is applicable all the CNC machines for cutting purpose. You can cut, later on you can bend it, save it. Okay, this one. In this way you can save the file and exit. This is the. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you for my. Later on in the next upcoming videos, I will make the 2D drawing for this part. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.